We've just updated Recoup to add the ability to unlock artist intelligence, which gives you the ability to unlock additional models and more credits. If you don't want to pay, Recoup is free for life for musicians globally. So if you don't want to pay, this video is not for you. These are for advanced musicians, record labels, music managers who want to unlock additional services and top tier models for the work that they're doing with musicians or with their own careers. We now have this button that allows you to start your free trial. You just click the Start Free Trial button. You'll notice that beforehand, I've got right now a bunch of models that are locked. And once I go into the checkout page, which is powered by Stripe, I can then enter my email, my payment information, and click Start Trial. I'll get 30 days for free. So if you just want to try it out, you can try it out, and then you can cancel at any time with no penalties and no fees associated. After your 30-day trial, you'll be billed $90 per month, and you can see because I'm trying this on September 8th, on October 8th is when the billing will start. Right now you unlock 100 artists, 1,000 monthly credits, all of the top tier models, and we'll be adding more and more features that will be first for the Recoup Pro tier. Once my payment is successful, I'm automatically redirected back to Recoupable, and when I land on the page, you'll notice that I now am in the Pro tier. And once I'm in the Pro tier, I then have access to any model that I want. We've got our curated list of models that we recommend for musicians to use. Models for image generation, for fast speed, for everyday tasks, for agents, for analytics, for complex tasks. And then we also have, if you want to really go in and pick your own model, you can, but we try to make it easy and give you a set of curated models that we have found work best with individual independent musicians, music managers, producers, record labels, and all of the musicians and artists that we've been working with over the past 12 plus months.